white cannot really hane here. He has to care about this aji as well. Yeah. So after he make this group stronger, and then Chuchun was waiting for the chance, and he just cut at the center. White has to save this group. Yeah. And then try to kill here. It was what Chuchun prepared. Yeah. Now isn't it cool? After this, if black can kill this group, of course black is gonna win. But if black cannot kill, then of course white is gonna win. I think now is really difficult. Yeah, because now Chuchun really prepared in this area as well. So Yoda has tried to save here. Oh, and this is so painful. And now it's like really 50-50. Yeah, save or kill. And Yoda made a sente, and the black has played a stretch. Even I remember I really couldn't feel this was wrong. But AI was telling us, yeah, this was the mistake. Black obviously has to play the hane, and it was much better. Yeah, when black fight like this, then it's much better to capture. Yeah, but who knows that? I don't think no one will know without using the AI. I really couldn't expect that this was the mistake. And then now Yoda has to really try to make two eyes. To be honest, in the actual game, I really feel quite difficult for each other. White already has one eye, but Chuchun has really tried to kill. So now white even made the sente is really necessary. Yeah, now, and even he want to capture by making the net. He shouldn't let him go out, and even he shouldn't let him have one more eye. Yeah, but now when he's made the net, white has a very amazing move. White has played the push and cut, and then he just made all the sente. Sadly, black just cannot capture by ladder. In case white just Atari and then just connect here, he can have two eyes. So Chuchun even decided to just follow out and then give this up. Yeah, give up this and then make this become fourth eye and then try to kill. At this moment, I'm not sure whether Yoda was the Boyomi or not, but obviously this was not really easy reading. But White has a very amazing reading right now. What Chuchun and Yoda was thinking is if White just Atari and go out, there is not possible to get one more eye. Yeah, really just White is just dead. Yeah. So since White exchanged this move, White has nothing to do. Then what do you think, everybody? Now you can try to solve it. Yeah. White has a very amazing move. White can just keep this exchange and then use this one. So great. Because if black plays here, this core is really playable. Yeah. Now there is a local cost threat as well. Even white can cut here. There are for few cost threat. If white captures, black cannot really take this core. Yeah, and then even white can throw in here and capture. Black is a normal cost threat. So connect is not okay. And what about just capturing by double Atari? Then white can use this sente and then set that one more time. If you connect, then white captures this. And this is true eye now, right? Yeah, and white has two true eyes. So that means now black has to ignore that also white can capture. This is gonna be the core. But this core is also so obvious, white can try to challenge now. Yeah, because white has a local cost threat. So now maybe even Atari another side is okay. Anyway, this core is really too risky for black. So black's the bad sensor is stretch here. But white can make sente and sente. Still there is not possible to have a one more eye. It's gonna be fourth eye. But white doesn't have to make it right now. White can just connect and ask black, do you want to break it or not? Okay, I want to break it. Then white can connect here. Do you want to cut here or not? Yes, I want to cut. Then push and Atari and cut. Then black is in big trouble. Yeah, black is dead. Even though black just Atari, then white can make all the sente and connect. Now capturing race is not working for black. Yeah, so there was a very amazing move. Yeah, who can see this move? I wonder whether if white was who can be really genius move? Isidore? Can Isidore see the C? Yeah, I really want to know that. Oh, sadly, Yoda couldn't find out this move. Then, of course, I'm not sure whether Chuchun find out too. Yeah. And now, if Chuchun was playing this game with the last one Boyomi, then of course I'm not sure. Yeah. So now Yoda couldn't find out. Yeah, that was the sad part, and he just pressed this group. So Chuchun made all the sente like this, and then Yoda is asking Chuchun whether I want to capture for this group. Do you want to answer? Then I'm willing to have a capturing race with your this group. Then it's very complicated the capturing race. So Chuchun, I think even though it was not easy, maybe he had a feeling if he can capture this group, then he's leading. Yeah. So now he just saved with connecting. Still it's working actually if he find out this move. But now actual game he couldn't, so he just decided to capture the corner. And then Jochun has answered here. So Black is catching up the winning. But interesting part is even though Black just capture all the center, now is very even close. Yeah, it's not so big gap. So now White has played the end game very hard. Yeah, this is the biggest. Now if White doesn't play here, Black can save it. Yeah, like this. Yeah, if just White captures, then now Black can get a lot. So White has really played the best end game, and even Black has played the best end game, like this. And then Black captures. I think this is a finish line. After they have end game, interesting part is still Black is just winning 2.5. Yeah. So Jochun won this game for 2.5. Yeah. Compared to nowadays games, yeah, the concept and knowledge and logic and many things is quite different. Yeah. Because I was quite used to do study for this generation level when I was young. Yeah. Of course, nowadays even I'm studying the new style game with the AI style as well. But yeah, because when I was mainly student, I was studying for their game really hard. Yeah, so today I wanted to show you one of the amazing game. Yeah, for the between Chuchun, yeah, vs Yoda's game. Yeah. They both were top player in this year. Yeah, it was very impressive. Yeah, I was always trying to catch up for the meaning why they play like that. Yeah, I think I remember at least I have put 3 times this game and tried to memorize. Yeah, about 20 years ago. How did you watch, everybody? Yeah. Okay, today this was the game that I wanted to show you. Thank you very much for watching for this video. Then see you guys next time. Bye.